Good morning, everyone. Hope you are listening to me.
Morning, sir.
So let us start the class now. Before starting the class, let us discuss what we have learned or understood in the previous class. So first question, I start with Rishit only. What was the topic discussed in the previous class?
Sir, for loop, while loop, and do well. This class.
This
Last class
for
was math library functions.
Mathematical library functions. Okay. Okay. Today's class, what is the topic I have taken?
Array patterns.
Array patterns. Yeah. See, programming language has got so many types of language. Programming language like C, C++, Java, Oracle, .NET, SQL, DBMS, so many kinds of programming language are there. And each programming language, the way of writing is different. As I've told you earlier, the way of writing is completely different. Okay, but the concept which we are learning is the same. Okay, so in this, today I have taken the pattern. Means what? Using numbers or symbols, how to create patterns. Okay, which includes for, while, and do while. But most of the time we will be using the for loop only, and for, while, and do while I have explained you earlier, right, Prince?
Yes, sir. Last time we explained.
Yeah,
sir.
last time we have explained. Hope you are aware how does those looping statement works. Looping statement. So what is looping statement? Can anybody say? Diya Kutanda, what is looping statement?
Sir, it can be used for patterns or arrays.
No. What I am asking you, what is looping statement? Yeah, Shreya CD, what is looping? Vivan Sagar, what is looping?
Sir, repetition.
Exactly. Repetition means successive number of numbers can be printed. For example, you want to print the numbers from 1 to 10, you will be using looping instead of writing system.out.println1, system.out.println2, like that. Instead of writing 10 times to print a number from 1 to 10, you will be using looping, which makes your program simpler and not complex. Whereas you want to print, for example, 100 numbers, you cannot use system.out.println 100 times. Instead of that, you will be using looping statement. That is about looping. So here, today's topic is about pattern. Today we are going to discuss on 3 types of pattern: left triangle, right triangle, and pyramid. Okay, left triangle, right triangle, and pyramid. So in this concept, see, in the previous board examination, in a few exams, few years, this concept has been asked for 15 marks. Okay, and it is very, very simple and easy only when you understand the concept. Here you will be little confused with for loop. Okay, here in this patterns you will be using 2 for loops, I and J. Okay, how many for loops, Devi, we are using?
2 for loops.
Yeah, what are they?
I and J.
Yeah. So I will be the inner loop and J will be the outer loop. So what is inner loop and what is outer loop? We will discuss in the program. So this is the concept we are going to discuss. Any doubts? Okay. So in pattern, we are using for loop statement, okay, to print a symbol or number or alphabet. See, I have experienced in the board exams, which in the previous years, they will ask print ICSC in right triangle, print blue jay in left triangle, print star using pyramid. So pattern will be of three types. One will be numbers, second one will be symbols, and third one will be alphabets. Diya Kutanda, don't disable your video, everybody. Rishit Venu. Yeah, Devi, can you tell me how many types of patterns are there?
Three.
Three, name them.
Right triangle, left triangle, and pyramid.
No. That is the types of triangle. That is different comes. It comes in different ways. Okay, number difference on other kinds of properties. But I'm asking you how many types of patterns can be done in array.
Numbers,
Numbers,
stars, alphabets.
numbers, symbols. Don't tell that it is star. It comes under symbols and numbers,
Alphabet.
symbols and alphabets. Okay.
Yes.
So first thing is you need to understand what is pattern in Java. Everybody pay attention. Everybody pay attention. Enable your video. This is a simple concept, whereas it makes you confused only while using I loop and J loop. Means two loop we are using, that is I loop is for inner loop and J loop is for outer loop. Okay. So be attentive. This will not take much time. If you concentrate properly, this will not take much time. Okay. So the first question which I will discuss is what is patterns in Java? So you should know what is patterns in Java. It is the main access point of the Java expression. The Java pattern can be used in two ways. You can use the patterns like matches or strings. Matches in the sense numbers or symbols, or strings in the sense alphabets. Okay. Then how to print a pattern in Java? Java pattern programs use coding skills, logic, and looping concept. To print any kind of patterns, you should know the skills of that. You should know the logic behind that and the looping concept. Looping concept, which I told just now, that is for I and J, inner loop and outer loop. It is mostly used in so many Java programs. Okay. To learn the patterns, we must have a deep knowledge about Java loops. As I told, to do some patterns or to learn the pattern programs, you should have knowledge about the loops. Loops are nothing but for, while, and do while. So in this section, we will learn how to print patterns in Java. So Java pattern programs are in three categories. One is star patterns, one is number patterns, or other one is character patterns. Now, before moving into the pattern programs, let's see, whenever you design logic of the pattern program, first draw the pattern of the blocks as the figure presents. Each pattern program has two or more than two loops. Best example I would give you is, okay, you have your telephone or mobile phone. You have your telephone or your mobile phones, whereas you will use a pattern. In your phone, will you use pattern? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes.
So Those patterns are being designed using the programs. Rishit, what are you looking at?
Sir, my book.
Okay. So when you're using patterns, you will connect the dots, correct? For example, you want to connect it left triangle like this, and like this. So when you reach the corner of all the parts, then it becomes a pattern, correct? Once you start giving the pattern, you have to end the pattern. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll show you the pattern screen once, and then we'll discuss on this in detail. Everybody enable your video first. Yeah. Now, Prince, what can you see on the screen?
So columns and rows.
Yeah. See, this is how the pattern works. This concept or this mechanism, if you understand, rest all are easy for you. Now you can see here, top 1, 2, 3. The rows is called I, and your column, it is not I, it is J. Okay. So column J is 1, 2, 3. So the bottom, whatever the numbers you are printing, those will be called as columns. Okay. And the row which is on the top, that is the row. So in the above pattern, the row is denoted by I and the column is denoted by J. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Okay, this you have to understand, then only the pattern you can understand properly. So here row is denoted by I and column is denoted by J. We see that the first row prints only the stars. The first row will print only the stars. Okay. And second row prints 2 stars, and third row prints 3 stars, and fourth row prints 4 stars. So to print this printing statement or pattern is left triangle. Okay. Is it left triangle?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to print this kind of pattern, what you have to do, you have to use 2 loops. One is I loop and other one is J loop. I is for row and J is for column. Is this clear? This much is clear for you all?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Shreya,
Yes, sir.
this is very, very important. If you understand this, the rest all, you have to write the looping statement. That's it. So I'll repeat one more time. So first row will print 1 star, second row will print 2 stars, third row will print 3 stars, and fourth row will print 4 stars. Now my question is it a square total comprises? Is this completely a star? Sorry, square?
No, sir.
Rashid?
No, sir.
See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you totally see, this is a square or rectangle?
That's a square.
Square, correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
why the other box or cells are in green color? Can anybody guess or try to tell?
So they are the empty spaces.
Yes, exactly. Very good. Please give him a clap. There are the empty spaces. Everybody give him a clap for that. Come on. Please encourage you all. Yeah, very good. So the cells, whichever nothing is available, those are called as empty boxes or empty strings. Okay. The remaining are the one which we write looping statement to print the stars depending upon the question. Now here in this, what is the question? Mokshit, what is the question for this triangle? What is this?
It's a left triangle.
Left triangle, correct? Write a pattern to print left triangle in an array. Okay, this is a simple question. Okay, now let us move forward. Right triangle. First, we'll go for right triangle. So I'll start with the program. Listen carefully. Public class right triangle pattern. So the program concept is on?
Right triangle.
Right triangle pattern.
Yeah. Now public static void main string argument is a default statement which we use because public is the access specifier, as I told you in the previous class. Okay. Now we want to print this pattern. We want two variables. Why? Because one is for row and the other one is for column. Okay. Keep it in mind. These are very, very important. Rest all are very simple, very, very easy. I for rows, and J for column. If you understand one kind of pattern, the rest all patterns, just you have to interchange the for loop. That's it. Rest all will be the same. So understand properly. I'm repeating again and again. Understand. I is for rows and J is for column. Okay. Row denotes number of rows that you want to print. Okay. So these are the things. Now, one more question. What is this called as?
Comment.
Yeah. Single line comment, which is in green color, which your compiler will not understand, and it is for your reference, as I told you. Now, let us begin the program now. Everybody, please pay attention. Enable your video. Yeah. Now, for this program, I want two variables, that is I and J. Now, one more thing is added here. Row is equal to 6. So you are going to print for 6 times. You have to specify how many number of times you are going to print the numbers or stars. Whatever the pattern you are going to print, how many rows you want. Okay. So here you have to specify the number of rows you are going to print. Okay. Outer loop for rows. Now I is for inner loop and J is for outer loop, and 6 times I am going to print. 6 times I am going to print, but we have not told what we are going to print. Okay. Keep it in mind. We have not specified what we're going to print. Only we have told number of rows will be 6. Now, starting with C here, you can see here, this is one for loop and this is second for loop. Video mute. Yeah. So here you can see here, this is one for loop and the other one is as I told, this is one for loop and other for loop. So we are using two for loop statement. One is for I and other one is for J. I is for rows and J is for column. This much you understood?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now very simple. Now I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to row, I plus plus. So we start with 0, initializing the number with 0, and I is less than row. Means how much? Row is what?
6.
6. So 6 times it has to print. So to print 6 times, I'm using this symbol. What is this symbol called as?
Increment operator.
Very good. Increment operator. So what happens here? First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and sixth row. Till it reaches the sixth row, it will print. Then it will terminate the looping condition. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, now next one is inner loop. Inner loop for columns. So after that, for I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to I. This is very, very, very important. Here, I is less than row. Means 6. I is less than, I can give it directly as 6. Correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, next one is J is less than or equal to I. J is less than or equal to I is nothing but 0. You have to interchange the value properly. 6 times it has to print. Okay, 6 times it has to print, and the outer loop will print 6 times. So the inner loop, first time it is empty. So what happens here? J is equal to 0, J is less than or equal to I. Less than or equal to I is what? 0. Okay, so start with 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth time when it reaches, it should interchange, means it should stop. It should stop. Now throw the cursor to the new line after each printing line. So now the two for loop is over. Now we have written, but what happens here? Everything will be printed in single line. Every time the loop will work. First time 1 star. Okay, second time 2 star. 2 star will not come down. It will print in the same line. To make that to come to the next line, we will use system.out.println. Println. See, a println. Ln is for the next line. And so whenever you are printing in the next line, the remaining is empty. So in the bracket, nothing is written. Okay. In the bracket, nothing is written. So the first time when it prints 1, it has to come down to the next line. When it prints 2, the first line, second box was there, no, that will become empty. Okay, to become empty, this is very, very important. Okay, because it is empty string, nothing is written here. But here, see, you can see a system.out.print. Print means you'll print there only. What to print? Star. Okay, what to print? Star. But after printing 1 star, after printing 1 looping statement, the cursor should come down to the next line. Okay, cursor should come down to the next line. I'll show you the output now. See here. First one is 1 star. 1 minute. Yeah, now I think you are clear with this. Now see here, for I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to row, I plus plus. This one, I'll show you. This one will help you to print the first star. In this program, that much only. So you have to understand the concept. This for loop will help you to print the first star. Okay. After that what happens? You have to come to the next line. Okay, ln is used. What you have to print? Star. Afterwards, throw the cursor into the new line after printing each line. So when you come to the next line, remaining all should be empty. So you can see here, after that nothing is printed, all are empty here. Rashid, enable your video, everybody. Again what happens? Second time it will become 1. Okay, no, 2. Here you should give, first time it is 0 and 1, and second time it is 2. So second time it will print 2 stars. So 2 stars, this syntax will help you to print 2 stars. After printing these 2 stars, the cursor should come down and the remaining all should become empty. So what happened? 2 star and the remaining everything will become empty. Again, next time what happens? This will become 3. 3 times you are going to print. What you are going to print? 3 stars you are going to print. After that what? The remaining everything should be empty. 3 stars empty, 4 stars empty, 5 stars empty, and 6 stars empty. So after 6 it will stop because we have given the condition to run till 6 rows only. Any doubts here? Now you ask the doubts. Let us clarify. Now what happens? Opposite triangle when we do, it is ulta. Okay, it is reverse. Okay. Let us go to the opposite triangle and then come back and discuss about these 2 patterns. Left triangle stars. Okay. See here, Is it same or different?
Different, sir.
Different. It is in the right hand side and that one is in the left hand side. Okay, for them it is left, for us it is right. Okay, now again this program again will go here, same public class, left triangle pattern. Public static void main string arguments the default statement. Again, I for row and j for column, same. Row denotes number of rows you want to print. Again, int I, comma j, and row is 6. Till here it is same.
Yes, sir.
Till here it is same. Even this is also same. Correct? This is
Yes,
when
sir.
you enable your video. Who is disabling the video? Yeah. Rishit, you are not attentive, you are restless. Why you are looking here and there? Okay.
Sir,
Now
my
it is-
brother came into my room, so I was telling him to go.
very good, very good. That is very good. So nice of you. Now, till here it is same. Now again here, only this one will change. Okay, only this one it will change. J is equal to 2 star. Row minus I. J is greater than or equal to 0. J minus minus. Okay, here minus minus is for decrementing. I'll go with decrementing. So first one is 1 star. But here 5 empty space are there. Correct?
Yes,
And
sir.
here 4 empty space are there. For that only row here j is equal to 2 into row minus I. J is equal to 2 into row minus I is 0. 2 into 0 is 2 into 0 is 0. So the first one it is 0 only. Okay. The next one again it goes on doing the same thing. Row minus 1. Row is 6. 6. Here row is 6. I'll put it 6 here. So first time it will become 6 minus I. 6 minus 0. I means 0. Correct? Okay. So 6 minus 0 is 5. So 5 stars will be printed. Okay. But here the difference is here system.out.print. Here we have not specified anything inside this. Yes or no? Here in this what happens here, we are first giving the space and then printing the star. In the previous one, first we gave star and then we gave the space, Devi. Okay, so again what happens here, 5 minus 1. Second loop is 5 minus 1, 4. 4 times space should be given. Okay, 4 times space should be given, and this one j is less than or equal to I is to print the stars. So what to print, I have to specify. If you don't specify this, nothing will be printed. All will become empty only. Okay, all will become empty only. So you have to use star. After that, throw the cursor in the new line after each line printing. So system.out.println, after the end of the first loop, cursor bring it to the next line. After the second loop, bring the second line to the third line. Here the difference between the first pattern and the second pattern is, first pattern we give what? Star. In the second pattern we remove the star. Okay, got it? In the second pattern we gave empty space first, then star. Whereas here in the first pattern we are specifying star, then printing the statements. Okay, now again print stars, cursor system.out.println, first empty space, then 1 star. First loop is over. Again 4 empty space, then 2 stars. Come to the next line. Again 3 space, 3 star. Come to the next line. 2 space, 4 star. Come to the next line. 1 space, 5 star. Come to the next line. And all the 6 stars together. Once we finish 6 stars, the looping statement will terminate from the loop. Now, I want your questions so that we'll have a discussion on these two topics. See, this much is for 15 marks, okay, which has been asked in your board exam. The question was right triangle and invert triangle. Write a program or the pattern using array of right triangle and invert right triangle. Now, any doubts in this left triangle and right triangle?
No,
Come
sir.
on.
No, sir.
Tejaswini, any doubts?
No, sir.
Here, what is very important in this program?
The loop.
Yes, loop. There are two loops, okay? I is for row and J is for column. I have told you, I showed you the table. This column is for J and row is for I. So every time encounters, first time it prints and then the remaining will be empty. Second time it prints 2 stars, remaining will be empty. Now here we have 4 rows. Can you tell me the for loop for this?
For I is equal to 0 colon I is less than or equal to 4 and I plus plus.
Okay, then the remaining, next again.
For J,
Ah,
J is equal to 0 and J is less than I.
yeah,
And,
very good. Less than or equal to I.
I
You
less than
have
or
to
equal
use
to
it
I.
less than or equal to I for reverse action. Okay. Now, Shreya CD, any doubts?
No, sir.
Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Diya Kutanda, any doubts in this program?
No, sir.
Anybody? No doubts.
sir.
Nobody has got doubt. Rishit Venu, any doubts, pa?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what you do is after the class, everybody write a program on triangle. I will not show the program now. Write a program on triangle and send it to me in WhatsApp. Everybody have my number, right?
Yes, sir, our group is there, no, sir, computer one. There we can see.
Yeah. And who is the admin for that?
So I think Rishit.
Rishit, when you change the group name into class 10, pa.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And send your program in a sheet and take a photocopy and WhatsApp me so that let me see. And don't share your program to anybody. Today I have explained you about left triangle and right triangle. Now I'm asking you about the triangle. How triangle should be? I will show you. Wait. 1, 2, 3 star. Enter. Star. Enter. 1 minute. I'll show you how I want it. I'll show you the pattern now. Okay. Can you try this output in the program and send it to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll just explain you how it is so that anybody have got any doubts here, I can clarify. See here, first one is I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. Second time you have 1 empty space here. Third time you have 2 empty space here. Fourth time you have 3 empty space here. Okay. Look into the empty space and start properly and write the for loop statement. Clear? Rishit, when any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. Tanmay, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
for empty space in the middle, like after each for loop, we should write another like space for loop.
yes, exactly. Okay. Now, we will go for one more pattern, that is pyramid pattern. Oh, pyramid pattern I have
This only same triangle.
same triangle only. No, okay.
Sir,
Then
in video
I'll
there is homework, no, sir.
in the video there is homework. Can you do that homework for me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that see the whichever which I was about to which I gave you for the homework, that is in the next segment only. So I'll explain that program also. But in the video, whatever the assignment I have given, do that and send it to me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
let us go
sir.
to the third program, that is pattern. Now you should be in a clear picture how for loop works. Now, what is the name of the class? Mokshit?
Pyramid star pattern.
Yeah, pyramid pattern. Okay. Public static void means string argument all are same. I for row and J for column, all are same. Till here it is same. Till here it is same. Now, inner loop works for space. Okay, row is equal to so row minus I. Row minus I. Row is what? 6. 6 minus I. 6 minus I is what? 0. 6 minus 0. Okay, then J is greater than 1. Okay, I think if I explain this, you'll get confused. We'll do one thing, we'll stop here only. Okay, let us see this kind of program will get confused very quickly. So today we'll take only 2 topics, that is left triangle and right triangle. This one pyramid, if I explain, again you will get confused. You have to give space lot of times. So this much only is enough for today's class. Okay, now I want clear picture. Anybody have got any doubts?
No, sir.
No, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I wanted you to ask some doubts. What to do? Nobody is asking doubt. Now let us go to the video once. Okay, I'll stop sharing and I'll go to the video once. Let us discuss on this video, our video, class video once. In the class video at the end, I have explained one program. I position and once here again with the 4th program, you will find that. 1 minute. I'll share the screen now. Yeah. Rashid, what can you see on the screen now?
Public static void main string arguments, that program.
Yeah. See, public class pattern 2, which we have done just now in the program also, in the video also I have explained the same. Here 4 rows. So I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. Now I want somebody to explain this. Tejaswini, start explaining this program. It is nothing but similar program. Tejaswini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we have 4 rows and the column is depending on the rows.
Yes.
So first we have to take class as pattern 2, then open bracket, public static void, main bracket, then for I is equals to 1, then I is less than or equal to 4, then I plus plus, which is increment.
Yes.
Open bracket, for J is equals to 1, that is the column is equals to 1, then J is lesser than or equal to I, which value is 1, then plus plus, open bracket, system dot out dot print to print that class, then close bracket, system dot out dot print ln, which moves our syntax to the next line, then close bracket, then close.
Okay. Now, Rishit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I will twist a question now. Just try once. Instead of star, I will write as ICSE. What will you do now? Rashid,
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about characters now. This is about symbols. If I give the character here instead of system.out.print star, instead of that, if I give ICSC, will it
Sir,
work?
ICSC once it will come ICSC, then again like that 2 times ICSC, 3 times ICSC. It don't come ICSC like that. It won't come.
No. See, what happens is ICSE, ICSE, 4 alphabets are there. First time, first alphabet will print, first loop. Second time, 2 alphabet will print, IC. Third time, 3 alphabet will print, ICS. Fourth time, it will print ICSE. And fifth time, it will not print because we have given the condition till 4. So it will terminate from the loop. So here, instead of this I, instead of the first star, I, instead of second star, IC, instead of third star, ICS, instead of fourth star, ICSC. Okay, here you have to interchange 1 or 2 syntax here. So when I explain about the characters pattern, I'll explain you in detail. Hope you got clarity in patterns, dear Kutanda.
Yes, sir.
Vivan, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, now this one, Vivan, tell me how to print this. Very simple. One thing you have to do, that's it. Rest all syntax are same. Vivan, can you tell me what is the syntax we are going to do for this? Anybody? Devi? You have your pen and paper, right? Right. For
Sir, instead of
J.
J is less than or equal to, I will write as less than or equal to 4.
Can you, everybody, you have chat, no? Chat box?
Sir.
Yeah, everyone type that inner loop and outer loop for loop and send me, let me see, both together. For this pattern, what is inner loop and outer loop? Write the pattern. For that pattern. For loop, inner for loop and outer for loop, this for this pattern, 4 into 4. Everybody should do this exercise. I expect everyone to send me the answer. Let me see who is going to give me the first answer for this question. And it's very, very easy. I tell you, very, very easy.
Sir, I sent like I was trying to put enter. It went there. Like,
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine,
Even
fine.
I also went to put enter. It just went.
Okay, do. Where is
I'll
that?
write in my notepad and I'll copy paste here, sir.
Yeah, well, however you want, you use the technology. Simple, you can type a single syntax, right? For I, like that. Like this, so twice you send, like this. Dia Kutanda, I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 4, I plus plus. Again, one more is there. What is that? You can send the message directly also. Instead of sending it in open to everyone, you can direct message also is better, so that others will not copy the answer. Come on, let me see. Tejaswini's first for loop came, second for loop. Shreya's first for loop came. Dhyana, Anvita, Jayant. I can see only few names repeating here. Yeah, very good. That's good that you are typing inner loop and outer loop together. Who is that? Yeah. Apurva, Tanmay, Mohan Gowda, Jayant, Dhyan, Aras, Devi, Prince. There is Rishit. Rishit, you finished?
Sir, only
You're
that
writing
we should
four
write the
part,
whole,
the last
Yeah.
two.
Yeah,
whole
right.
program we should write, sir. I am writing
No,
whole
no.
program.
Not don't type the whole program here. You
Sir, I wrote
wait.
whole thing.
Even I
sir.
also wrote till published at word.
Sure, if you're written whole program, direct message is better. Don't disclose to others. Others also can try this. Rashid, in this one thing you have to remove syntax, which is that
Comma.
in the previous program which we discussed, left triangle and right triangle, we use that. But here you should not use that. Which is that? Anybody can answer this? In left triangle and right triangle, we have used one syntax. That syntax should not be used here. Which is that? Tejaswini?
Row.
No, no,
J is
no,
less than I.
no. Come on, this will be a challenge for you. Which syntax should not be used here?
Sir,
I didn't hear you properly.
sir, there we
Space.
write J less than or equal to I, but
Yes,
here
huh?
J less than or equal to 4.
That is fine. But one syntax you should not use. Which is that?
Plus.
Huh?
Increment operator.
No, 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 no. Come on, try. Let me see who is going to give the right answer for this. One syntax should not be used in this program. Nobody? Rishit?
Yes, sir.
Aras? Vivan? Tejaswini? Devi? Okay, let me tell you. System.out.println double quotes empty string. Why we should not use empty string, that is empty space? Here nowhere we have given space. All 4 into 4 is covered. So don't give that syntax. System.out.print in bracket in double quotes empty space. Don't use that syntax. If you use a syntax, then a middle gap will come. Got it?
Sir, I
Yeah.
sent sir that whole.
Yeah, wait. Start. Exactly right, my dear. Very good, friends.
Sir.
Waiting for others. Devi, don't type the greater symbol, greater. You use the mathematical symbol, greater than. You have that symbol, no? You don't know where it is? In the keyboard, shift, full stop. Apurva. Good. The bracket is missing, Apurva. Is this Rishit? I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to rho, I plus j is equal to 0, j is less than or equal to I. Very good. Yes. Very good, Rishit. Here you
Yes,
have not mentioned system.out.print in bracket double quotes. You have not mentioned. If you mention, then you will get empty space. So good. Others, start trying. Okay, now, okay, stop. We are left out with 5 minutes. What will be the answer for this? Everyone, this is very, very simple.
4 stars.
4 stars.
Star,
Star,
one below the
star,
other.
star.
Star, one
How
below
it
the
will
other.
print? It will
Stars.
print in single line or in different line?
Sir, one
Single
below the
line.
other.
Huh?
Single line.
So print ln.
No, println is the
Yeah,
last.
one
Then
below
For
the
all the
other.
statements, only print is there.
Yes,
For
one
everything, it
below
will be in
the
one
other.
line.
Are you sure, Rishit?
Yes, sir.
Anybody else have any query on this? Will it print 4 stars in single line or in different line?
Single line.
Single line? Okay. This you have seen this. Try this in your BlueJ compile. Hope you have downloaded the software BlueJ and JDK. Download, type this program and check once what it will come. It will come in different line. So why? Because system.out print star. Every time this will invoke here ln.
Yes,
Second
everything
time.
one below the other.
One below the other. Second star will print and ln. Again third star print and ln. Fourth star print and ln. Try in your home. Okay. I'll stop sharing the screen now. Okay. Hope today's session was useful and understandable. You have to work on this. In this pattern, you should know the inner loop and outer loop. Rest all simply printing and pasting. Okay. Everything will be same. Only thing is what you use inside star, numbers or characters. Today we have discussed about the symbols. In coming days we will look on characters and numbers also. Okay, I think we are left out with 3 minutes. So it's time for me to ask me the
Feedback.
start giving your feedback and exit yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, give your
Sir,
genuine feedback.
homework by when we should submit, sir?
By evening, can you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, by evening you send me in the group.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you're understanding my explanation, Tejaswini.
Yes, sir.
Tejaswini.
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Yeah. Dia, you are finding difficult. No, now are you finding a little okay?
Yes, sir. It's easy, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Dia was finding difficult in going to the next line while typing the program. Rest everything was fine. Work out, my dear Dia.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
work out, type the program in the compiler and solve. You will come to know a few more new things. Okay. Next one is this session was interesting. Thank you, sir. Who's this? Direct message. Class was interesting. I understood everything. Good. Prince, class was very interesting and easy to understand, sir. And I understood everything. Thank you. Vivan, class was interesting and class was in the array pattern very easy understandable. Yeah, good. Tejaswini, today's class interesting. Okay, good. Tanmay, easy and interesting. Okay. Devi, I understand what you thought. Thank you, sir. Good. Rishit, class was fun, understood for look the easy way and understood how to make all the patterns. Okay, good. Tejaswini, thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye bye.